Good day, ma'am. Good day, classmate. Here are my report about Southern Mindanao, Davao Region, Region 11. Davao Region is the 11th region of the Philippines that is situated at the southeastern part of Mindanao. It comprises of 5 provinces: the Compostela Valley, Davao del Norte, Davao del Sur, Davao Oriental, Davao Occidental, and highly urbanized city is Davao City. Component cities of Davao City are Digo City, Mati City, Panabo City, Samar City, and Tagum City. There are 43 municipalities, 1,162 barangays, 11 districts, and their dialects are Cebuano, Mandaya, Dababawon, Hiligaynon, Tagabawa, at Giangan. Davao is the Hispanicized pronunciation of Daba Daba, the Bagobo word of far. Historians believe that the name Davao is a mixture of 3 names of the 3 earliest tribes of region for the Davao River: the Dabanobos, the Bagobos, and the Giang. The 11 tribes of Davao. First tribe is Klata Giangan, Ovo Manovo, Matigsilog, Ata, Kagan, Iranun, Tagabawa, Maguindanaon, Tausug, Sama, and Maranao. Klata Giangan is the first tribe which occupy a very small territory from Catalunan to Calinan, Davao City. Their traditional population centers included Bilao, Tagakpan, Dulian, Sirib, Gunulong, and Tamugan. They are called the forest dwellers. Second tribe is Ovo Manovo. Ovo Manovo are known for their intricate casting, fine weaponry, and jewelry. They believe that these things possesses souls. Third tribe is Matigsilog. Matigsilog means river people, are considered to be the most aboriginal inhabitants of Mindanao. Fourth tribe is dwellers or known as Atas. In highlands are powerful people who appear to be a mixture of Negritos and Malays. Atas are depend primarily on hunting as their livelihood. Fifth tribe is Kagan. Kagan people are known as agriculturists, cultivating rice, corn, abaca, and coconut for cash crops. Sixth tribe is Iranun. Iranun are regarded as the fiercest pirates in the Malay world, adopting a typical maritime lifestyle of sea invaders. Seventh tribe is Tagabawa, means people from the south. This tribe is said to be the most intelligent of all natives in the Philippines. Next tribe is the Maguindanaon, known as the people of the flood plain in Mindanao, originating from the province of Maguindanao. Next is Tausug. They are known as the people of the current and are known for their courage and bravery. For Tausug, loyalty is an important trait among the Tausugs. Sama. The Sama people value the togetherness. They are described as cohesive and peace-loving people. Last tribe is the Maranao. Maranaos are said to have the best traditional clothes out of Filipino ethnic groups. Davao Region Economy. The region's economy is predominantly agri-based. It is now developing into agro-industrial business, trade, and tourism. Produce products like fruits, papayas, mango, bananas, pineapple, fresh asparagus, flowers, and fish products are exported internationally. Private and foreign investors or businessmen are putting up huge business centers, fueling the region's economic growth. The only Philippine eagle can be found in Davao region. They protect and study our nearly extinct national animal. The king of Philippine fruits, which is durian, can be found in Davao region. We all know man gajud nga baho gajud siya nga fruit, but if makatilaw ka, lami gajud siya as para naho lami siya. Next is the provinces of Davao region. Davao del Norte. Davao del Norte, known as the banana capital of the Philippines. Tagum City is the capital. As based on my research, ang population karon sa Tagum City is around 5 million kapin. Then ang ilang land area is 3,426,097 square kilometer. Panabo, Tagum, and Samal are the component city. There are 8 municipalities in History of Davao del Norte. Republic Act 6430 on June 17, 1972, the Davao del Norte was changed to Davao. Republic Act 8470 on January 31, 1998, signed by President Fidel Ramos, which splitted the province into two, creating the Compostela Valley, and Davao was renamed again as Davao del Norte. Economy of Davao del Norte. Economy is primarily agricultural, but also engaged in mining, forestry, and commercial fishing. Banana, coconut, abaca, coffee, and variety of fruits and root crops are the major crops. The province is the country major producer of banana, and the Mindanao's leading producer of rice. Festival of Davao del Norte are Banana Festival and Kahayag Festival, Panagtabo Festival, Pangapog Festival. Attraction of Davao del Norte are world's largest rosary, Tagum Night Market, Hagimit Falls, Tagbaubo Falls, Kaputian Beach, Vanishing Island, Montfort Bat Cave. Second province is Davao del Sur. Davao del Sur is most competitive province of the country. Then Digo City is the capital. Then there are 9 municipalities in Davao del Sur. Davao del Sur is an agricultural province. Bananas, cacao, coffee, fruits, and vegetables are the major crops. Then coconut country, popular known as coconut country since coconut is its major commercial crop. Then its rice and corn production is more than sufficient for its population. Festival of Davao del Sur are Dorongan Festival and Katayawan Festival, Padigusan Festival. Then this is the famous attraction of Davao del Sur, Philippine Eagle, Eden Nature, Japanese Tunnel, Mount Apu, Museo Davaoenyo. Third province is Davao Oriental. Davao Oriental, known as the coconut capital of the Philippines. Then Mati City is the capital. Then there are 10 municipalities in Davao Oriental. The province is the top producer of coconut and copra in the country. It is also a major producer of abaca and export crude oil and copra pellets. Festival of Davao Oriental are Baldayawan Festival, Banayan Festival, and Sumbuukan Festival. Famous attraction of Davao Oriental are Aliwagwag Falls, Cape of San Agustin, Mount Hamigitan Bonsai Forest, Dahican Beach, Lake Carolina, Waniban Island, and the Subungan Museum. Province of Davao Occidental. Davao Occidental is the 81st and the newest province of the Philippines. Malita City is the capital. Then there are 5 municipalities. The festival of Davao Occidental are Giginaway Festival and Kapiaan Festival. The famous attraction of Davao Oriental are the Balut Island, Bulay Cave, Tukmaklang, then the Tuknon Sol, then the last is Pang Hot Spring. Province of Compostela Valley. Compostela Valley is the 4th newest province of the Philippines. Refers to great fertile plain in the heartland of the province. They name it Compostela Valley. So Nabunturan is the capital. Then there are 11 municipalities. The province was billed as the second richest province of the Philippines by the Commission on Audit by year 2017, which posted a record high of 18.75 billion pesos worth of asset, the largest in whole Mindanao. It is caused by numerous business establishments, banana plantation, and vast gold and silver mines across the province. 10 of its 11 towns are having one or more gold mines. It is also the home of the biggest ring in the Philippines, the Solidarity Ring. Main sources of livelihood are agricultural products such as rice, coconut, cacao, coffee, papaya, mango, pineapple, durian, and banana. Festival of Compostela Valley are Buganiban Festival, Bulawan Festival, Diwanag Festival, Kariyawan Festival, Pagswitan Festival, Salupungan Festival, and Sambalay Festival, then the Kaimunan Festival. Famous attraction of Compostela Valley is Tagbibinta Falls, Kumbilan Cave, San Vicente Cave, then the Mainit Sulfuric Hot Spring, and that's all. Thank you for Southern Mindanao Region 11.